P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There we go.
And that's it.
Hello, howdy here. What's for you here?
Hello?
Lena, we're ready for the draft demonstration. Curtain going up in 10 minutes. You better hurry.
I think they've got it, and they want to show it. Is this it? Have you really got it?
The rock, and I read the scroll. The scroll of life. After 4,000 years, the words of the scroll brought it to life again. It hates us, John. It hates us for desecrating the tomb of its princess. You're a fool, John. Thank you for coming.
Potentially upgrade this year with Tibet. I don't think there's a lot of force in it, and it's the reason why we're sticking with the decision. It comes with being reckless. It's not endangering an opponent because of the force. I know it's high and it's on the knee. And certainly Kenny McLean would tap his mouth for a second there. It's very late in the day, right enough. We played 6 minutes.
Sir, summon me back to the farmyard. She said there was a problem. It was too quiet.
Every year I dream of summer. Sun, the sea, the soirée. J'adore. That's until the heat hits and my scalp goes full on drama queen. So now I only travel with this Head and Shoulders Mental Fresh. It's like a portable AC for the head.
I've decided now, you know I'm going to be 65 in a couple of weeks. At
Yeah.
retirement age. Oh, historically always retirement age. I'm going to be a cow midwife. No golf, no watercolour painting. Midwifery for
Bear in
cows.
mind, you have seen like the good versions of it happening. You pulled that one out on Saturday night.
Yeah,
You haven't actually yet cut one out.
I'm going to cut on it.
When the calf dies inside the mum, and instead of doing a C-section, you actually get the knife busted. You haven't done that yet.
What?
My 5th delivery, when I was about
Smith. Sorry to disturb you.
What is wrong, officer?
A woman's being killed. You traced the matter as far as here. You hear anything?
In the early 90s, the idea that you would own a car was complete madness because you'd never have been able to afford it. And even if you could afford it, you weren't allowed to have one. Now, though, things have changed. In 1977, there were 1 million cars in China. By 2008, there were 51.
It's equal opportunity. It's a modern world. Stop cutting the roofs off our cars, or we'll come round and cut the roof off your painting and decorating van.
Right, that's covered the fibre
anytime soon.
Because we're going to be trapped in a car.
Yeah, now, Aston Martin's launched this. It's the new Vantage.
That looks great, doesn't it?
It does absolutely spectacular.
That actually looks like the one-off action they made for the...
Gets him in.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Just what he had a game.
Bollocks.